You don't get sense.
I just the chicken put it together.
Your sense don't travel. Your sense don't go live.
Hey!
Oh, Lord.
Oh, blood.
First of all,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Oh, yeah, back to
somebody just faints there now.
Oh, me too, I faint.
Somebody just faints there
Yes,
now.
please stop, please. Ambulance, please. Ambulance.
All right. In case you don't know, you have to know that today, being my guy, my G's birthday, you understand? It's Ogbolo's birthday.
Yes.
Now in birthday, but I mean they happy. This morning I've just been jumping up and down.
Wow.
Simply because now in birthday, and now because now amazing person, so it transfer reach me. You understand? So this birthday today, now two of us, it's our communal birthday, it's our birthday.
It's touching
You understand? It's our birthday. And you need to know that this cloth I'm wearing is new. Tear Robert this morning.
Launching.
Simply because
Launching.
it's my guy's birthday.
Wow.
I wear a new cloth. So Vowe, Ovems, thank you so much for my amazing dress for the amazing birthday boy.
Yes, so
you understand?
Ovems, I'm waiting for my own birthday dress. Thank you very much.
That didn't come out right.
Birthday dress.
Birthday dress.
No, as tailor or design person.
No, designer. Don't call it tailor. What's wrong with you?
Sorry. Designer. Not the shout for me now, my birthday.
Oh my God, what's wrong with you? Don't call it tailor, call it a designer.
Okay, I know, yeah. All right. So now, as designer, we will be mentally, not handling.
No. Why are you talking about
as designer, we will be, everything a dress. They call everything dress. You understand? Just like when they see trousers, say pants.
Yeah, trousers, pants.
You know me say nakpata. So actually, so when we say my dress, I'm just saying in general form.
All right, so but before we just enter inside break, I want to say something real quick.
Yes.
And this thing when I want to talk, I know they do talk this kind of thing plenty times.
Wow.
You understand? Now once in a while talking.
Wow.
So I go just talk.
Okay.
Ogbolo. You are a very foolish person.
I know.
We all know that your foolishness cannot be quantified.
I know.
But my God, I love you. From the depth of my heart, you're an amazing person. You're a good guy. You get the heart of gold. You're a very gentle man. My God, Ogbolo, any woman that marries you has married the best man on earth. I can say that for a fact.
Oh, Jesus.
Did you not even enter pidgin again? I have to speak good English for this. Ogbolo, the kind of person that you are a blessing to your generation. You're a great guy. So, from me, happy birthday to you.
Mayowa, thank you very
much. And I mean it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Mayowa, they say you call for break.
Okay, make we just go break now. I really need to. Can we please go for it? Break, please, really, break, really.
He didn't touch me. Break it up.
Break, oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, who give that cake? Who give that cake?
I never see any cake.
Okay.
All this kind of cake we dey see, we never taste.
I also no go Google name. Michael. Come Google happy birthday, Michael cake. Come Google. This our producer, nothing where they don't fit do.
I trust him.
You people, nothing where no fit carry anything, mix anything, join anything.
We dey see cake, we never taste it. I know the fast though. I dey chop.
Unlike my own. On my own birthday, I was fasting.
You are fasting on your birthday, even though we arrange your things, but the celebrity, he fasted.
Oh, Lord.
Anyway, we are going to continue with Yan the Yan now.
Oh, yes. That's the reason why we're here.
Lovely stories.
Back and forth.
Yes.
So, Yan the Yan.
Yan the Yan, oh,
please.
Yan the Yan.
In a birthday mood.
In a birthday mode. Your stamina. When I'm not going to play song for the background. This is... Wait, please don't fall in hand of our birthday mode.
Not the birthday mood.
But no power working against us shall prosper.
All right, okay, moving on. The first one when I get a very interesting story, something really creative, where we say plenty people not really used to. You understand? Because it's not a usual thing. You understand? This particular guy, I will need to read it out to you. Now, this particular guy, now award-winning Italian artist Guido Daniele. Guido Daniele. The man now, he gets one talent to be say, God don't carry and don't give the guy. And if you ask me what is the talent, ask me what? Thank you. This particular guy, he draw animals for human hands. You understand? He go paint them, not be Photoshop. He go paint them for the hand. He go be like, there's a way he paints human hand that when you now bend everything together, it go be like real animal.
Now hand be this like
yes,
this. Yes,
and it's painted.
Wow. See talent.
Can you see it?
Wow.
Now hand be this. So as he do them, you get as he go can't take bend them. You understand? You get as he go can't take joint. Maybe like if my two hands being model now,
yes.
you get as he go take do them. You see na hand, you see na like this. Say na like this.
It's not like let's say unlock person.
You go be like wow. Better animal. The man can talk say before in just you know those things where they do where you go do your hand like this for wall for shadow. They do
yes.
Say na from there in content come say why I no go fit turn this thing to painting? Now somebody come meet him. Now somebody come meet him for inside like 2000. That's 2000. Yeah, 2000. Somebody come meet him, come tell and say this thing where they do. You fit turn them to painting with hand. You know you go actually paint the hand. The guy can say, make I try him. He try one. He try two. He see say the thing makes sense. So for he can't release in 77 detailed animal painted hands when he do release them. And for now, he be the world famous hand painter on top animal matter. See talent.
So the guy will just cool down now.
You know how to go do this thing for wall, for shadow. For shadow, you go do like this. You go do like this.
I be sabi how to do. I sabi do dog.
You can't do one hand. Some you go do like this. Some you go do like this. Meow.
Down a rabbit you get this thing too. This one a dog own be this.
You just do one hand. By the time when you go wall.
You can't do like real animal.
Now see somebody done the paint and a talent.
Man, you can make these kind of things that people get as talent.
Yes.
Because God they creative, even human beings will get that creative ability. So everybody gets something to offer somehow.
Yeah.
You understand? But those guys shocked me. It shocked me. See elephants.
I'm telling you.
Guys shocked me.
Paint them. And all that painting, no Photoshop, nothing. Pure painting.
But people will buy these paintings.
Of course.
But this guy now.
You go do and come snap them. Now the portrait.
The portrait now, yes.
People because how you want to carry person house? You want to carry person hand glass.
They can't go put it. Stay like this. You fit do the face of our bingo.
Yeah.
You know, bingo no go green stay. Anyway, correct gist that won't be.
Yeah.
For my own gist now, this one all the way inside India. I want me to sing song for India.
Pieri patone melate jatia, beiti hipiti mi little dia.
I know.
Toni patone misale jatia. Turi fini mi little
Nei. All right. Now one village inside India. You no go believe am. Listen for this country.
Yeah.
We like to put I won't say bulletproof. We like to put
doors,
fence, door,
barbed wire, electric barbed wire.
Yeah, this one is there for window.
Barcode, bar charts.
Anyone.
Iron bars.
Iron bar.
Did I just say barcode?
Somehow we dey imprison ourselves.
Oh yeah.
Some people they use like 14 lock their door for night.
They go lock this one, lock this one.
Some people come type. Some people they put their eye this thing just to lock house, sleep for night. For inside India, they get one particular village get about 300 odd buildings, and this particular odd homes, none of them get door, no one get window.
Wow.
No one get door, no one get window. Everything open, both toilet to even their bank open. People they save money for one they don't pull lock to lock anything. Everywhere they open. So they can't go do some kind of finding and say, okay, why this thing be like this? Then they say, some years back. I say play, one particular god just appear for their beach side. It be like iron. So the village people, they can't go carry stick, can't go knock, now blood can't they come out. So for night, now one of their local deities, Shani, god of Saturn, appeared to one of their leaders, talk say, that thing that my body, now they knock, now my blood can't come out. He say, that thing that my idol, that thing be. So I'm not keep him, I'm not hide him under any place, no need shelter. and they powerful enough to protect the whole village. So make sure say una no put door, una no put any window anywhere. So now their belief with that now for that village say the God of that their land they protect them. They don't need any kind of protection. The God does anybody wait thief anything for there. If you go make sure do mistake go thief, the God will locate you come out. You go to walk around, you can't wake up. The next morning people go wake up, they all see you. Or one way or the other, the God will always bring out the person. So now everybody for that village, they say, wow, we are free to walk around, no need for protection.
Uncle, please,
because God of Saturn is protecting us.
Please, I have one question.
Ask them.
I didn't have a problem with your protection of your God. I mean, it's your God. You can have a protection-free day. My problem is, please, when a daddy and a mommy, they're now... doing
things. Maybe they hide for back of stone.
Because I didn't really know how they want to do this thing.
And they wonder how...
Children will now dog, mommy...
No, maybe they send the children to go to their neighbor house.
The person that is passing in front of the door,
I know maybe they go paint one paint for you. So maybe if you see that painting...
You go face front.
You go face front.
The deity go carry you come out if you look like...
You go look, say you won't go look, say, where Johnson and Janet, hey! Maybe you're just blind.
Okay.
So maybe the deity, that their God for their area, don't say anybody will go do, I want to go and look at the torchlighting. Finish. You're not finished.
They should not carry that kind of deity and come here.
Men are not carrying and come. In fact, you know if you work for yourself.
Don't bring it here. Because you will see things.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
You will see things.
This country, we love fence.
We love fence.
We like self-prison.
We like barcodes. Yeah. Iron bar.
Iron bar. But anyway, now their own belief for their own village be that based on but this thing sometimes a psychological thing.
Oh yeah.
Doctor say if you do one, like you get one village for this place, say if you go cheat on your husband, doctor say you know ever better for you as a woman.
Anything will happen, you go mind go just go there.
So you know if you cheat, because they not already put that thing before they born you, and not be saying anything really oh.
Yeah.
Now here. Now be the thing there, now the play they happen. So well, any which way, now for India, now that will happen. And it's their belief.
Yeah.
So just say we just know.
Meanwhile, Ogbolo, you look good on your birthday.
Thank you very much. You know, na birthday behavior, birthday dressing.
Now yesterday I be sing half pretty birthday song for you.
Yeah,
Ma complete the rest.
Yeah, baby, come on.
I want to complete the rest now.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, I start with Happy Birthday, dear Ogbolo. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you, Ogbolo. Happy birthday to you, Ogbolo. I want you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, Ogbolo.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you, Ogbolo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ogbolo. How old are you now? Everything okay? Follow the ladder. Bring your gift. Follow.
So thank you very much.
Why you come and watch?
You can clap where? You say na.
How the watch they disturb your clap?
No, na Rolex. You understand? It's Rolex.
I commit Hey, I'm in love with it. Come on, let's go break.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. You are
Instagram, what's up? Just left the dentist, got my teeth cleaned. Got an examination on my gums. They say they healed properly. Thank you.
Make we go back to the part 2 of our handy. Talking about birthday behavior. We talk about birthday. They think
that guy teeth.
I think he had a medical something.
Now he can't carry my tongue. Please. That's why I thank God for my teeth. You know.
Say me say I get one.
My birthday, I
get one teeth when no pure.
This one. I'm saying my own half. My own extra growth.
Extra growth.
This one half. Stubbornness.
All right, so this particular man, they celebrate his birthday. In talk, say all in life, he won't enter Guinness Book of Record.
Wow.
Yeah? He's from Germany, a German man. Say he won't enter Guinness Book of Record. Hagemir, na name. Hagemir or something like that. Anyways, like today will be your birthday. Now, you know, so you can easily time travel. It's very simple. Make it just go flight. Now, maybe go US. You know, say they'll be 6 hours behind.
Yeah.
You understand? Make you just enter US. From there, enter Lebanon. Enter this, enter that. So your birthday will be now. According to what the guy do, in birthday will be today. He begin travel since from maybe like 12 midnight. You go come enter inside one town where we say then they 6 hours behind.
Oh, so
in birthday go come reverse.
They celebrate.
You go come travel again, enter another one where they'll be in birthday they like 10 hours behind.
Wow.
You understand? So the guy actually spent 46 hours. His birthday was about 46 hours.
For different states?
Yes. Now, only one person don't do it for 1998, where we say her birthday was 13 hours. No, her birthday was 35 hours, 25 minutes. That was 1998. You understand? Because she been fly from Karachi to Singapore and then to San Francisco.
Yeah.
And then this one now don't break record for 2014.
46.
But Guinness Book of Record, they only just verify him this year because in do how many hours? 46 hours for him birthday. Make I tell you all the places when he fly go.
Yeah.
He fly from Auckland to New Zealand, to Brisbane, to Australia. Then he can't gain extra hours. He can't take flight to Honolulu, to Hawaii, which is 20 hours behind.
Whoa.
Then he actually only spent 13 hours, 10 minutes for inside plane as he landed and lasted 46 hours into his birthday for the international deadline.
Oh boy.
So this guy now, by the time when he go come back on the Hawaii, when his children, they wait for him, the wife, they wait for him, he don't spend 46 hours. So he had the longest birthday. So instead of 24 hours, he had 46 hours of birthday. And it was his birthday date because in different places when he go, now his birthday.
Not the time. Wow. That means I feel start now.
Yes, you can decide to go to...
I already did some hours late. Anyway, now very, very good idea the guy get for head. For my own story, another very beautiful story. All the lovers of dogs for us, I say aye. Aye. You know be lover of dog? Now those small
Puppy.
all those small they carry. They can jealous. Those small.
The big one.
No.
They can jealous.
This one is jealous. They marry person. Okay, now this particular homeless man. We losing job some years back. He can't turn homeless because of his love for dogs. He promised himself, say he no go ever use I see any dog when no get house to stay. Aww. So as he be like this now for the past 14 years, this particular guy, what's his name again? Steve, don't adopt 50 dogs. 50 dogs. And to show you how he love them rich. Enough he stay without them. When he come to travel, go, when he come tire for California, come say, okay, make it kuku waka, go another states, go live. Now he pack all the dogs them. For the Okada way get to, he come build one small thing, where he go fit put for him back, where they come carry all the dogs put inside. He come they carry and they travel like that. Say, want come up for California, go the next state, go stay. About 2,000 miles, now he be get to cover, with only $6 for his pocket. But as the waka come take be, he come to another woman for road. As he jam the woman come talk say, she like the thing what the guy do. Hey, say the thing touch her for somewhere because she said she love dogs. And as he be say the guy said homeless, come they carry homeless dogs, carry for body. Say she go help him in one way or the other. Now they arrange hotel for him. From the other person said join hand for the whole thing. They open one website on how people fit take contribute, they feed the dogs. Different come they raise fund, they raise money. Before you know it, you know all the dogs come they get correct treatment. They come they carry food, they can't give all the dogs. They come they pet all of them. They give them massage, they bath them, correct food, they come they chop, you know, they can't stay hotel even extra day for the hotel. So finally now, as it be, the one other generous donor can't even give them, you know this
trailer houses.
All those trailer houses them where the office stay. So for like 15 years, when the guy never get house to stay, finally, because of this goodwill we do for dogs, now he don't get place to stay for that trailer. For 15 years, he never get roof over his head, but now he get roof over his head because of this particular goodness we do for these 50 dogs.
And about $4,000.
Yes, and extra $4,000 from all the funds they raise for his pocket, you know, just to do all right. Correct one. For me as a lover with dog and animal, no dog. Lover of dog. Correct, guys. Steve-O, you try. And more power to your elbow. This one will open more doors for you. I know say you know the year But any which way, you go here one day. See, for Paddy show, you go here.
All right, so follow us on Instagram at Mayowa Lambe, at Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. And then on top Twitter today for our giveaway, just go on top Twitter and make you...
that place they don't get door. Wait till be the state.
That place they don't get door.
Or window. Or
window. Or door where we talk for... That place, that country.
Yeah, that country.
Where they know they get door.
Yes.
Where it be the name of the country.
That country.
Yes.
Of that country. Yes.
Yes.
You know, just
send
go
that
there for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Knock it there, and then we will tell you who the giveaway person is. And then hopefully you are in Lagos. We will know how far.
It's your birthday.
Yes,
birthday.
It's your birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hey, what's up, midgets? What did you say? What? Hey, what's up, midgets? What did you say? What?
Place in this house. I make sure I give you. Raise up your hand. Don't be. Yes, Papa. Slap your brother for me. I said slap him. Do you know why I said you should slap him? No, Papa. You don't know. Slap him back. Hey!
That first one, I sweet me.
I love the two videos. When you first go like that, you said you got to increase your height.
You have to increase your height.
I beg, one more time. You play again. I beg. Anyone, just one more time, please. Based on birthday behavior, please. Make everybody do all right. All right, please. Just one more time. I beg of you. Play them now.
I make sure I give you. Raise up your hand. Don't be. Yes, Papa. Slap your brother for me. I said slap him. Do you know why I said you should slap him? No, Papa. You don't know. Slap him back. Hey!
That second brother, he slap enter.
He slap enter. People like say the one you don't take. People like that other one, his senior brother, you don't take away, don't want to wound them.
Did you know why you slap him?
No.
Him.
The papa can say, you kill him.
You want to kill myself for me, Abi? All right, thank you very much. So far, people don't send me a message on top Twitter and everywhere. I say God bless everybody. Thank you for the wishes. And as I don't add one more year, I'm not a year older, I'm a year younger. As it be like this. So thank you very much, everybody. God bless you. I love everybody. And of course, we'll continue to do this thing. And this time next year, I promise you now, bigger us. I pray. Thank you very much. And then from to my girl, connect my holistic baby, you know, my one and only witchcraft girl I love very, very much. You know, if it's not my wife, it can never be like a my holistic. You understand? So I say biggest thank you to everybody waiting for behind the camera. Tunde, Anibaba,
Effiong,
Jeff, my producer Jeff, associate producer, everybody.
Intern, set guys,
all the intern, the way they hustle
you.
the whole team. Thank you very much, set guys. I love all of you now. Thank you very, very much. And
in-house fans.
You now. All the in-house fans, all the people of, all the M building people, the whole M. 267A at Team Iya Christian and they collect gifts. You can come with your gift, khaki, land, certificate of ownership, everything.
Please
and
let your gift be according to the size of the blessing you want.
Yes. If you bring mosquito coil, come here. And they buy person, you know. I love all of you. Thank you very much. God bless all of you. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.